Good afternoon, everyone. We are here today at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, because they are having a preview of one of their haunted houses, Stranglewood Estates. This was one of their houses that they had last year at Howl. You guys should check that video out right here. I had a blast. It was fun, but they are possibly bringing it back again this year, and hopefully they're bringing something different. But we are also here to get on some rides, eat some food, have a good time. So enough talking. Let's go ahead, get in there, have a great time, and dive in. Man, I am excited about this. There's not too many places where you can just go to one of their haunted houses before the actual event start. So it is like a lights on preview, but I've watched some videos from last year when they started this, and they had scare actors in there. So it's kind of gonna feel like your regular haunted house at Howl, but with the lights on, so we'll get to see all the details. And there's gonna be also a tour that we're probably gonna attend. So we're gonna go in the house probably twice. I'm excited, man. I can't wait to show you guys what they have to offer inside there. All right, guys, here we are, Stranglewood Estates. I'm excited about coming in here. Cannot wait. So let's go ahead and get in. Oh man, here we go. They just let us walk in. I think the tour will be a little later on. Oh wow, this is fire. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is awesome. I know, this is crazy. Wow. Oh man.
I'll go this year. I'm going. I don't know if Joe gonna want to go, but I'll go with y'all. After watching y'all video.
Look at this detail.
This is creepy.
Imagine this at nighttime. I'm about to come back. Oh, that's moving. That is actually moving. That is awesome. What's up, guys? Now look at that over there. Crazy detail. I love the details in this house.
It smells nice in here too.
It smells like a haunted house. I love it. Look at the dead skulls right here. Sheesh. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, they chopped out his head?
This house.
Look at this. Look at this toilet. Somebody really themselves. This place is mad dirty. I know it's not really dirty, but love the details. That's a nice pool. Yo, look at this. Oh man. Wow. I can't wait to come back when they do the guided tour.
This corner is.
Oh. They got the sound.
Oh, bro.
Oh, nah. I hate this. I swear, one of them pop out.
Oh my God.
I swear, if one of these things
I
move,
got scared.
it's over with me.
Bro, you just wait for this one.
Oh!
I'm about to say, I actually got scared. Oh, what?
So it looks like these are some of their boo holes right here. Another one right here, another boo hole. Another one right here. This is perfect. Oh, this is just a prop. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Man.
This place is huge.
Wow, it's still going. This is a very long house, guys. Why is that moving? We're gonna come back in here when they have the guided tour, because they have a guided tour. Oh, wow, okay, that's a nice setup. Nice setup right there. I like the probably another boot hole right there. Another nice setup. So, recap. That was awesome. That is a very, very long maze, and if I'm not mistaken, I feel like that's the same house they had last year at Howl-O-Scream. I could be wrong. I need to go check the video out, but that was pretty cool. It was still, they had some great like prop setups that kind of got us, even without scare actors being here. Now I will say this, they have like a different type of tour at 6 o'clock, 6 to 9. Maybe that's when the scare actors are actually in there. We'll see. Maybe they're not bringing the scare actors back out this year, so that could be a possibility. But just to let you guys know, here's a video right here. They had scare actors, man. But we'll see if they bring them out. I will be back to do this run one more time, and it'll be dark, so it's gonna look a little more realistic when we come back at nighttime. But that's awesome. And for any of you guys that want to get me this year, they are hiring for some scare actors at the moment. Check that QR code. I'll stay here for a little bit. It's that QR code right there. Go ahead and get it. Take a picture if you need.
And that deal right now is today and tomorrow in park, so it's the lowest you're gonna find.
Cool.
It's good for any day that you want to come. It don't have to be. You don't have to know right now. You can just go like, I'll buy 2 tickets and show up any of those days.
Cool. Well, guys, you heard that.
Yeah.
He said any night, buy this ticket. It's only today, tomorrow, so I'll try to get this video out today for you guys, so you can go tomorrow. But this was awesome. Let's go look at some of the merch they have over there. So they are serving an exclusive cupcake. They got that's funny, really. $6.66 for each one, and then $13 for 2. And then they have these Voodoo Shots right here, $13 for each shot. It's a night shine, so I'm guessing this is like a moonshine. And then they do have some merch. I feel like these are merch from last year, is it? If I'm not mistaken, is this 2024? Oh, it doesn't have a year. Okay, so this might just be like a vintage shirt. Oh, that's awesome. No, these are different events. They just don't have they don't have them on there. Because you can tell by the logos. The logos are changing. $13 for each shirt. Yeah, these are old. These are old. These are all old. Pretty neat though. So we got our shots. About to take it. It's a Voodoo Shot. $13. $13. So it better be good. Hey, that actually tastes kind of good though. So I was worried. Oh yeah, put some air in your chest. I was worried that it was gonna be like a fireball. You know how it's so cinnamon. That's that hint, but it's kind of flavorful. Like it has like a juice slash like that not mint. What is it? One of them cinnamon.
It's a cinnamon taste.
Yeah, cinnamon taste, but it's not that bad.
It's not fireball. I hate fireball.
It's not fireball. It is good. Definitely liked it, but you feel it.
It's in your chest.
You put some hair in your chest, like you said. All right, guys. So now we have the cupcake, and man, look, this looks delicious. I'm excited about it. It's huge, and you get the 2 for
$13.
$13, yeah, and then each one is $6.66, of course. But let's see what it tastes like.
I got it all over my face.
You and me, brother. Cupcake's fire. It is really good. I don't really taste the red. Like I thought this was like a cherry. I don't know, but I don't really. Oh, it's like a candy. It's not cherry. It's not a flavor. It's kind of like just like a regular candy flavor. Like the red blow pops that you have, but this is just liquidy. This is a good cupcake though. It's super moist. Look at that, super moist. I would rate this probably good for theme park 8 out of 10.
Yeah, not gonna lie, I'm not a chocolate guy, but it's not super chocolatey. But this thing is moist and it's heavy. This is a very heavy cupcake, and for $6, it's good. And I don't like chocolate. I'll give it at 7, 8, and that's high.
Yeah.
That's high.
Oh wow, I got that on my
For this.
Wow.
It's messy though. It's hard to eat.
It's hard to eat.
It's huge.
As you see, my nose. But good cupcake. All right, guys, we are back, and I hope you can hear me well because my selfie stick actually broke. So I'm kind of recording off my hand at this point. So I hope you can hear me, but look at this line. What happened? Wow. This line is insane. Wow. That's what happens when all the roller coasters are down. Let's get in it.
Animal habitats, service roads,
So
and beyond.
this is actually
During the 1920s,
telling a story
while Tampa was still developing,
of Stranglewood
and before
Estates.
Temple Terrace was established,
Pretty cool.
the Stranglewoods were quietly running a successful prohibition operation.
We were finally here, guys. Made it to the front.
And horse-drawn
There is
wagons.
still
They
a
moved
long
liquor
line behind us.
used to be the famous
Wow.
horse animal.
Wow, wow, wow.
But their daughter Gwendolyn wanted
All right, guys, here we go. We are at the front of the line. Our turn is next. I'm excited to see what they have to offer inside of here. All right, guys, here we go. Our tour guide is here.
Hello, welcome in, friends. I'll wait till everybody has gathered together. Hello, everyone. My name is Wendy Parker. It's so nice to see people in the house again.
Oh.
This place is really old. It's older than the park. It's also really big. It's 16,000 square feet on a half-acre lot. Listed for a quick sale due to location and, well, some light maintenance needs. But once it's fixed up, you may never want to leave. Ever. With that being said, I do have some things to go over with you. Please refrain from touching things. We want to keep that vintage charm. Also stay close together. I don't want to lose any of you. And you may hear things. Floors do creak, walls shift sometimes. It's just history saying hello. So with that being said, if you look above, that's where Miss Stranglewood fell, or jumped, or maybe she was pushed. Her bones shattered on the floor below, and some of her saved, and if she likes you, you'll hear her hum.
That's awesome.
Now if you'll follow me right this way, this is where one of the maids used to work, always smiling. Miss Stranglewood hated smiles. She said, they made the guests too comfortable. There once was an argument, a fall,
Oh, wow.
Now I'm going to take you guys into the library. This was Eleanor's favorite room. Unfortunately for Eleanor, she once opened something she shouldn't have. A book, it was wrapped in something. She opened it, the room changed, and she tried to say what she saw. However, the fire just came too quickly. Teddy!
Whoa, that moved?
I'll come back for you, don't worry.
Oh, wow, I did not see that the first time.
Now, guys, the shelves, they do creak, however, they're still strong. With a little care, this could be a great reading room or home office, even. Now, guys, the walls, they have stories within them, so you may hear things.
Oh, wow.
Now, the great thing about the hallway is you could decorate it. Portraits, candles. Just don't add mirrors. They don't always show what's in front of them. Anywho, follow right this way, guys. I don't want to lose you. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful, isn't it? Truly stunning.
Man.
Now, the portrait above, that is Miss Stranglewood. However, it wasn't quite finished. The resident who tried to paint it said her face kept changing when she wasn't looking. She ran. The door closed behind her, and no one ever saw her again. Still open, laying out massive space, and guys, the piano practically plays itself. Teddy, I told you to wait for me.
Oh, no, that's moving.
Now, guys, if you'll follow me right this way, me and Teddy will show you the kitchen.
Man,
Even though we should have waited.
that's awesome.
Now, guys, the kitchen may seem smaller than it really is. However, part of it is blocked off due to cleaning. There is a generous pantry, as you see, an original iron stove, and my personal favorite, marble countertops. Could you see yourself cooking here?
Yeah, I'm good.
Either did the last cook. Now, we are heading into the boiler room, and you may be saying a boiler room in Florida? Where else would we hide the bodies? Right, Teddy? Now, guys, we're heading in one of the 4 bathrooms in the estate. I'll make sure that everyone is still with us.
That's disgusting. That is nasty.
Did I lose anyone yet? Now I know what you guys are thinking. Vintage charm. They don't make things like they used to anymore. No, again. we're just gonna ignore that.
Oh, okay.
No, guys. They're back. Now, I did make sure these were removed, however, things just sometimes appear here. This is where Gwen murdered her parents. They should have said yes. Now, leading into the attic. This is where me and Teddy love to play. We play lots of games in here, hide and seek. There's just so many things you can do, right?
Oh.
Sorry, I don't know what just came over me. Now, guys, watch for spiders. We'll get pest control out here next week. Now, this is the crawl space. The handyman spent a lot of time fixing things here. Well, he was last seen on a Tuesday. I'm going to show you the greenhouse next. Just go ahead and lead the way.
Oh.
I've been waiting.
Oh.
Now, guys, this is the greenhouse. This would be great for like long-term storage. Do you have a green thumb?
No, I'm not good at plants.
Well, that's okay because they're already here. Now, follow into the garden. Now, guys, the garden has a lot of history here. I mean, liquor used to move through here freely, but when that got boring and art became the next thing, it then turned to bodies. But, I mean, there's a story behind every wall, under every tree. I mean, there's just so much you can do with the space. It's unique, guys. You can't find a house like this anywhere. So, what do you think? Do you like the house?
I like it. I actually want to buy it.
You want to put in an offer? Well, good if you had that right that way. I hope to see you soon.
Thank you. That was cool. That was awesome, man. There was actually some nice sound effects in there. They had like, I got scared. I'm not gonna lie. The house is creepy. I gotta be honest. The house is mad creepy. It was actually a really good experience. I definitely enjoyed it. I wish they had scare actors because last year they did have scare actors, but the guide we had, she was awesome and she made it as scary as possible. Definitely enjoyed that. It's a good experience. So hopefully they have it again next year, but hopefully they have it with some scare actors because I wanted to get scared, but I did get scared once. It was good though. Well, guys, that will be it. We got on some roller coasters. Had a good time. I didn't want to show you guys all the roller coasters. I have a video up for that already. I wanted to make this solely about the house, but it was fun. The house was fun. We had a great tour guide. I loved her. That was fun. I cannot wait to see what the house will look like once we have it at Hollow Screen with all the scare actors and everything and just the lights. It was good. It was really good. So if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead, smash that like button, share, turn notifications on, and most importantly, subscribe. And you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.